You awake back there? Not really. It's early, buddy. What time is it? 4 o'clock? Whew. That's early, boy. Up here. Right in there. Yep.
Turkey hunting.
Opening day of turkey season in Michigan. 7/21. Saturday, April 23rd. How's the morning been going?
Good.
We've been hearing some gobbling. Got a lot of gobbling around us, guys, so let's see what happens. It's supposed to be a beautiful day today, 80 degrees, so
83.
we had some rain push through yesterday, and I think it stopped at like 1 this morning, so they were definitely fired up this morning. We had like 8 over here to our left back in the swamp fired up, so still kind of got one behind us gobbling every few minutes, so with any luck we'll have a couple pop out here. Theron's got his tag, my dad's got his tag. See what happens. Usually a good spot for us, so putting some sausage on the grill. Theron wanted to cook
22.
Oh, you did?
Theron wanted to cook breakfast in the turkey blind. We've never done it. Sounded fun, so we got hash browns, sausage, eggs, and pancakes we're gonna do on the griddle right here. So pretty sweet.
I know they came around and he got up. Oh, they're going to use all the mix just on them too.
This is 10 to 15.
Oh, yeah. 15 is a lot of turkey. Mom never makes more than 15 turkeys. I wouldn't even worry about those donuts and chocolate milk. Anyways, if you did do those, I would just worry about this.
How is it?
Good.
Hash brown sausage good? Ready for a pancake?
Yes.
You want to eat that up first and make some room?
Mm-hmm. I can see the gun because it's shaking because it's shaking. It's shaking, shaking. It's shaking. I think I want the wood fan.
to be ready. When I pull this down, I want your chin right down here. See that? I don't. What do you need?
They gotta be over there.
I know. They're coming on the sand. Be ready. Easy. They're coming right across. Let them come in. You're gonna shoot them. Theron, you're shooting first. Daddy, ready? Yeah. Hold on. I gotta get my gun. They gotta get to the left for Theron. Theron, turn your body a little bit. Don't put your finger on that trigger. This is your trigger finger. Get the beat on one of their heads there. Hold on. Easy, Dad. Theron, hold on. Can you see any of them on your beats there? Yes. Hold on.
I'm not.
Hold on, Theron.
Which one are you?
Whatever.
Get going.
Theron.
They're gonna go.
Shh. Put one on the head, Theron. Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, pull.
Which one?
Shoot.
I always did.
Shoot. You having a hard time finding the beat?
I thought I had it.
You were on there?
Yeah, I thought I had it.
Alright guys, well, just got a bird down. We had those 2 toms that were over here about 45 minutes ago. They wouldn't come across this field earlier, as you guys saw, put on the show. They went back over to private, and they were way out here in the distance on this private field, kind of working away from us. It's easily been 30 to 45 minutes, and I just kind of started calling again a little bit, and they slowly ended up working back towards us. Got over here to this public field we're on, and came all the way across. And got in here about 12-15 yards, and Dad's drop. I think Theron must have just missed his, so kind of a bummer. I'm gonna look at the footage, kind of see what happened, but I don't know if he was on him good enough or not. Obviously not, but we were close. That's alright, dude. It's gonna happen. Pretty wild. I did not expect that. I did not expect him to come back.
I didn't, yeah.
So it's pretty wild for sure.
I thought they'd just hang up there on that.
Yeah, they just didn't seem like they wanted to come over here at all.
Yeah.
I don't know how well they could see the decoys. We got
Oh, I know, but we're having a hard time.
beans, standing beans right here. I don't think they could see across this field very well. So, pretty sweet. 8:53. Man, what a morning.
Happened around 8:50 or something.
Some nice spurs.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. What's his beard looking like? Nice.
Gigantic.
I was going to go for this one, and I saw you for it.
Heck yeah.
Good fan.
Yeah, let's sit behind him.
Hmm.